What's up mga papi? Check lang natin tong buy one get one rechargeable fan ni Akari. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Dumaan din ba sa Facebook feed nyo tong buy one get one na rechargeable fan ng Akari? Since nag-iipon tayo ng mga gamit pang camping, naisip kong subukan tong promo nila. So itong binili nating fan is yung 8-inch rechargeable fan with LED light, and then yung kasama niya sa promo is yung 4-inch rechargeable handy fan. So kalasin lang natin tong bubble wrap and let's see kung nakamura ba talaga tayo or is this one of those scam promo sa internet. Sana wag naman, di ba? So kagaya ng mga useless na comments sa Shopee or sa Lazada, the package is well packed. Actually, ang hirap nga kalasin nitong bubble wrap na to. Kaya gugupitin na lang natin siya. So ayan, mukha namang hindi siya bato or lumang basahan yung laman nitong package. Mukha naman siyang legit na rechargeable fan. Kakalasin lang natin siya ng gusto para makita natin what's inside the box. So ito yung box ng handy fan with all the features indicated sa kulay pink na box niya. Itong fan daw na to is 3-speed, up to 9 hours operating time, replaceable battery, Type-C USB charging port, and the fan comes with a wrist strap, and meron din siyang full charge indicator. And then of course we also have the square fan with LED, similar to the handy fan. All of the features nitong square fan is indicated dito sa box na kulay pink din. We have the night light function, up to 6 hours charging, 24 hours operating time, 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery, rotary fan switch, 3-speed. So, ayan yung buy one get one na Akari fans. Hindi naman masyado mahilig sa pink tong si Akari, no? So, what's inside the box of the handy fan? Yan ang tanong nating lahat. So, inside is yung mismong handy fan natin. Meron din siyang stand. Ayun yung front and back side ng handy fan. 4-inch handy fan DC5. It comes with a stand na isusok-sok mo lang, of course. Then, you also have the USB Type-C port for charging, of course. And the material, it's made out of plastic. May kasama din siyang charging cable and a purple rechargeable battery. Good job. Check natin kung gumagana. Kabit natin tong Barney battery niya. Barney kasi purple. Tanggalin muna natin tong stand and yung cover ng battery. Then let's go ahead and replace the battery. Pero silipin lang muna natin kung saan ba yung positive side. So ayan, patayo pala dapat ang kabit nito. And let's see kung aandar. Kung maandar ba siya? Yes! Hindi tayo na scam. Good job mga papi! Sabi sa box 3-speed daw siya. So test natin kung gumagana. And mukha namang gumagana. Kahit paano, malakas din naman siya. Baka may ilalakas pa to pag na full charge natin yung battery. Yung 9 hours na operating time remains to be seen. Of course, i-comment ko na lang dito kung talagang totoong 9 hours siya pag na-test ko na. Alright, next in line is the Akari 8-inch rechargeable fan with LED or LED. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, ito yung fan, color white. Ang kinuha natin though, may isang color pa to which is gray. Ayan yung front and back part. DC 5 volts, 1200 mAh lithium iron battery. Gusto ko yung design cues niya, very modern. Dukutin lang natin yung mga natitirang abubot niya sa loob ng box. Meron pa ba? Mukhang wala na. Mukhang yun na yun. Ayan yung USB Type-C charging cable. Meron din siyang manual na hindi naman natin usually binabasa. Pero for this time, basahin natin operating guidelines. Charging time is 6 hours. Operating time for the fan is up to 10 hours. Operating time for the LED is up to 24 hours. Operating time with the fan plus the LED is only 1.5 hours. Sandali lang pala to. Operating time while charging, level 1 and 2 up to 4 hours. Level 3, not recommended while charging. Alright, so let's test kung gumagana ba siya. And yes, hindi talaga tayo na-scam mga papi. 3 speed is working as well. Malakas din siya. So I guess this is a good buy. This is the buy one get one Akari rechargeable fans for only 777 pesos. From the original price of 1,598. Hindi to sponsored ha. Pwede din siyang hulugan mga papi for payments of 195 pesos under bill is kung medyo kuripot kayo. Okay, so that's our video for today. Thanks for watching. Napakainit mga papi. Stay hydrated because the heat index is crazy these days. Pa-subscribe na lang, and if you have comments, palagay na lang sa comment section mga paps. Till the next camping gear Budo! Peace! Ayan, yung dalawang Akari rechargeable fan natin. Salamat mga papi. Thanks for watching. Again, peace!